If you need to change the address in Beehiiv, whether it's because your business moved, your mailing details changed, or you simply noticed an error, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. I'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow, so you can update your publication details in just a minute or two. And if this video helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more useful Beehiiv tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where you'll find the configuration options for your publication. If you manage more than one publication, Beehiiv may ask you to choose which publication you want to edit. Make sure you select the correct one before moving on, because the address you update will apply to that specific publication. After selecting the publication, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click Emails. This section contains the settings related to your email content and footer details. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Email Footer Details. This is where Beehiiv stores the address that appears in your email footer, which is often required for compliance and sender transparency. Next, find the address you want to update and click the pencil or edit icon next to it. A field should open that lets you make changes. Carefully enter your new address. Make sure every detail is correct, including the street, city, state, postal code, and any other required information. It's always a good idea to double-check spelling and formatting before saving, because this address may appear at the bottom of your emails. Once you've entered the new address, review the information one more time for accuracy. This is an important step, especially if your newsletters go out to a large audience or if you need your footer information to be up to date for legal or deliverability reasons. When everything looks right, click Save. And that's it. Your address in Beehiiv has now been updated successfully. It's a very simple process once you know where to look. And now you can keep your publication details current without any confusion. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Beehiiv walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.